Are all active participles formed by me at the beginning of the verb? I have received this question recently, and it's quite important to know how we form the active participle. So in this video, I've decided to share with you how we form it in Egypt and in Egyptian Arabic. So the first thing is we have to understand the type of verb. If that was standard Arabic, I would have told you we have 10 different types of verbs. But don't worry, in Egyptian Arabic, we only have two groups. We have the small verbs and we have the big verbs, at least in this case. So how do you differentiate small and big verbs? Easy. Small verbs are the verbs that are formed of 3 letters after you remove the b and ya of the present tense. So I get the present tense with huwa, I remove b, ya, and then I count the letters. If I have 3 letters or less, then it's a small verb. If I have more than 3 letters, then it's a big verb. Okay? So an example of a 3-letter verb could be بيسكن بايا مع السلامة, and then you have سكن, 3 letters, a small verb. بيعمل بايا مع السلامة, and then you have عمل, 3 letters, another small verb, and so on. While big verbs, more than 3 letters. So for example, you could say بيتغدى بايا مع السلامة, and then you have تغدايا, you have 4 letters, then it's a big verb. بيسافر بايا مع السلامة, and then you have سافر سافر, 4 letters, so it's another big verb. بينظف, in this case take care, بايا مع السلامة, and you could think there are 3 نظافة, but you have a shadda. نظف, it's considered another letter. So now you have 4 letters. So it's another big verb. Okay. So the rule says, before we talk about the rule, let's see what is active participle in Arabic. How do we call it? We call it اسم فاعل. اسم فاعل. Why do I care about that? Because the rule says if I have a small verb, then it has to rhyme with فاعل. So for example, بيعمل is going to be مع السلامة بايا, and then I say عامل. بيسكن ساكن. بيعوز عايز. بيفطر فاطر. Okay? And so on and so forth. In the big verb, it's even easier because you remove the baya and you add a mim kasra at the beginning of the verb. So for example, بيسافر مسافر. بينظف منظف. بيشتري مشتري. بيتكلم متكلم, and so on and so forth. So there you have it. This is how you can form the active participle in Egyptian Arabic. Hope that was useful for you. Let me know in the comments. Also, let me know if you have any other questions. And thank you so much. See you in our next video. مع السلامة.